everyone, welcome back in today's class. Students, we have discussed 4 questions of exercise 10.4 in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss 5th and 6th question of the same exercise. Okay, let us begin with question number 5. 3 girls, Reshma, let me show you the question from the book. You all will be having it with you. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius. Radius of the circle is given. 3 girls, they are standing at the peripheral of the circle. Reshma throws a ball to Salma and Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and Mandeep, the distance between the girls is given, and what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? This is what we have to find out in this question. Okay, the question is pretty much clear. We need to draw the diagram of the question and then it will be more clear. There are 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. See, this can be the diagram of this question. This is the circle. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. They are standing at the peripheral of the circle. Okay. And the radius of the circle is 5 cm. So this is 5 cm and this is also 5 cm. The distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 cm. This complete RS is equal to 6 cm. MSM or MS we can call it as. This is also 6 cm. It doesn't seem, but it is 6 cm as per the question. What we have to find out, student, in this question we have to find out RM. This is what we have to find out. हमें निकालना क्या question में RM. Now what we have done, हमने इस question में क्या किया है, हमने O से RS के ऊपर एक perpendicular draw किया है. Let us take it as N. हमने N एक perpendicular draw किया है. Perpendicular किसी सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर के ऊपर, जब किसी सेंटर से कोड के ऊपर व्हेन वी आर ड्राइंग अ परपेंडिकुलर, इट डिवाइड द कोड इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन इट एज 3 and this is also 3. This complete was 6 perpendicular drawn from the center on the chord. Divide the chord into 2 equal part. That means my Rn will be 3 and my Ns will be 3. This is what we have done in this question. I have to find out Rm. Now dear students, I told you perpendicular drawn from the center on the chord. What is this RM? Isn't it a chord of this circle? Yes, RM is the chord of circle and this is a perpendicular drawn from the center of on chord. It will divide the chord into 2 equal part. That means my RP will be equal to my PM. What we have to find out in this question, I have to find out RP. That means in short, if I say I have to find RP, if I multiply RP with 2, then I will find out RM. Okay, let us begin our question. In triangle ORN, let us take this is hypotenuse because we have drawn a perpendicular. This has become a right angle triangle here. ORN, okay, hypotenuse is 5, base is 3. Can we find out ON here by using Pythagoras? We will find it out. Okay, let me show you. Question number 5. In triangle ORN, OR square is equal to ON square plus RN square. Here we may write it as using Pythagoras. Using Pythagoras. Fine. OR. What is the value of OR? 5 square. What is the value of ON? We have to find out. What is the value of RN? 3 square. That means 25 equals to ON square plus 9. We can take 9 to that side. 25 minus 9 is equal to ON square. ON square 25 minus 9 will give you 16. And what will be the value of ON? The value of ON will be 4. This is what I have find out. The value of ON is equal to 4. Now student, see the strategy what we will use here. We will take triangle ORS. Fine. We will take triangle ORS. We will find the area of triangle ORS by taking 2 different bases. Let me repeat it again. I will find the area of triangle ORS, this complete triangle, by taking 2 different bases. See how I am going to be. Here I am writing area of triangle ORS, 1 half into base. See, here I will take base as RS. If I will take base RS, what is the perpendicular on that? ON. RS, then perpendicular will be ON. Half into base into height. This is what I have taken base RS. Okay, equals to, area must be equal. Now what I am taking here, now I am taking OS as the base. OS, see this, OS as the base. If I take OS as the base, then RP will be the perpendicular. OS as the base, then RP will be the perpendicular. 1 by 2. Here my OS is the base and my RP is the perpendicular. If you have understood, this is what I have to find out in this question. That's why I have introduced this term here. And this will become the perpendicular also. I can put the value 1 by 2 into, what is the value of RS? Complete RS. What is the value of that? That is 6. What is the value of ON? ON. Now only we have found out ON. The value of ON is equal to 4. We have put the value 1 by 2. What is the value of OS? OS, isn't it the radius of the circle? And the radius of the circle is given 5. So in place of OS, I will put 5. RP, this is what is the required value. This is what I have to find out in this question, RP. Now we can simplify it. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. We can multiply here 12, and that side I will get 5 by 2 multiplied by RP. Take it to that side. 12 multiplied by 2 upon 5 is equal to RP. Then it will become 24 by 5. 24 by 5 is equal to RP. But what is my question? What my question is asking me? If they are asking me RM, and I told you RM is equal to twice of RP. Why? Because perpendicular drawn from the center on the chord bisects it. Okay, mention the reason. That means RM equals to 2 multiplied by 24 divided by 5. That means it will become 48 divided by 5. Divide 48 by 5, you will get 9.6 meter. 9.6 meter. Then at last you can mention here what you will mention, that the distance between they are asking Reshma, the distance between Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meter. Okay, I hope you have understood this question, and I tried my best to make it clear for everyone. If not, I just ask everybody of you to see the video again. Okay, let us proceed to the next question and the last question of this exercise, that is question number 6. A circular park, a park is in the shape of circle. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Sayyid and David, are sitting at equal distances on its boundary. Okay, they are also sitting on the boundary of the circle, each having a toy telephone. और हर एक बच्चे के हाथ में एक toy telephone है. In their hands to talk each other, जैसे वो एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. Find the length of the string of each horn. हमें क्या पता करना है इसमें? हमें string की length find करनी है. जो toy telephone उनके पास है उसकी wire की length हमें find out करनी है. तो हम ट्राई करते हैं कि उसका सर्कल का डायग्राम कैसा होगा. इस क्वेश्चन में डायग्राम कैसा होगा? इट विल बी लाइक दैट. three children, Ankur, Sayyid and David, they are sitting at the boundary, on the boundary of a circle. Okay, and let us take this is the center of the circle. Let us take this is center of the circle, and the radius of the circle is, let me draw the radius. The radius of the circle is 20 meter. This information is given to us. Okay, the radius of the circle is 20 meter. I have to find out what AS, SD and AD, and the length of the 3 telephone are equal. That means if I take it as X, this will be X and the same it will be X. This is what I have to find in this question, X. Okay, let me make it more dense. मैं इसको एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना के चलती हूँ, इट विल बी लाइक दैट। ओके, और जहाँ पे ये कट करता है, आई हैव ड्रॉन अ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स ए ऑन एस डी एंड लेट मी टेक दिस पॉइंट एज एम। लेट मी टेक दिस पॉइंट एज एम। एम पॉइंट पे वो ड्रॉ कर रहा है एंड वी नो दैट वर्टेक्स ड्रॉन परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स डिवाइड द बेस इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स। अगर मेरे पास वो कंप्लीट एक्स था, दैट मीन्स दिस विल बिकम एक्स बाय टू एंड दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ बिकम एक्स बाय टू। Okay, now I will take this triangle ASM. I know the hypotenuse, I know the base. Can I find here perpendicular by using Pythagoras? Whatever I told you, you can mention here in the question. Whatever we have drawn, whatever we have written, what is given to us, what they are asking, everything you are going to mention here. Fine. Okay. Here I will take in triangle ASM. AS square equals to SM square plus AM square. AM square. What is the value of AS? That is x square. What is the value of SM? That is x by 2 whole square. AM I have to find out. AM square. Now x square equals to x square divided by 4. I'm just opening this square equals to AM square. Shift this to another side. X square minus x square divided by 4 equals to AM square. Take LCM, it will be 4x square minus x square divided by 4 equals to AM square. Simplify, 3x square divided by 4 equals to AM square. Now if it is square, convert it into root to other side. 3x square divided by 4 is equal to AM. और अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो आपके पास √3, तो √3 रह जाएगा। x स्क्वायर जब बाहर निकलेगा इट विल बिकम x, और 4 का जो रूट होता है वो क्या होता है 2। ये किसकी वैल्यू आ चुकी है आपके पास? दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ AM। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ AM। ये कंप्लीट की वैल्यू आप निकाल चुके हैं। द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज √3/2x। Now listen to me very very carefully. Now if we have drawn an equilateral triangle inside a circle, then the radius of the circle is 2/3 of this, the length of this perpendicular. This is what I have to mention कि जो आपके पास OA होता है, that means the radius of the circle will always be 2/3 of the perpendicular drawn from the vertex on the opposite side. मतलब जितनी इसकी लेंथ होगी ना, ये वाला जो रेडियस होगा वो हमेशा इसका 2/3 होगा, और जो ये वाला पार्ट होगा वो 1/3 होगा। दिस पार्ट विल बी स्मॉलर, और ये वाला पार्ट, या ये कह सकते हैं ये पार्ट और जो ये वाला पार्ट है ये इसका डबल होगा। तो पूरे का अगर हम बात करेंगे तो इट विल बी 2/3। बस एक ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, दिस यू हैव टू कंसिडर, दिस यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ दैट OA। अगर हम यहाँ इसके कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बात करें, OA विल बी 2/3 ऑफ दिस, है ना, ये इसका 2/3 पॉइंट होगा। नाउ OA क्या है हमारे पास? सी, OA इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल। कैन वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ OA हेयर? दैट इज 22/3 एंड AM। स्टूडेंट, कैन वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ AM? नाउ ओनली वी हैव फाइंड आउट √3। हम यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं √3/2x। अब ये x है ना, अब आ गए हम सॉल्यूशन के बहुत ही नज़दीक, जहाँ पे हमारा आंसर आने वाला है, क्योंकि देखो यहाँ से x की वैल्यू निकल जाएगी, और वही तो हमें निकालना था, द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, the length of the toy telephone. Fine. Now 2 and 2 are cancelled. 20 is equal to √3 divided by 3x. Take it to other side. 20 multiply by 3 divided by √3 is equal to x. हम उसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं। Can we write 3 like this? हम 3 को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, √3 multiply by √3, वो भी तो आपके पास 3 होगा ना। We can cancel is equal to x. 20 √3 are left. 20 √3 equals to x. This is the length of the string. Length of the string is equal to 20 √3 meter. 20 √3 meter. I hope the questions are clear for you. Student, if you really find that you have really understood this question, then please do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, stay tuned with me for the next video, for the next question of the next exercise. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.